Welcome to the Middle East AI News Minute for Tuesday, October 10th, brought to you by Carrington Malin, marketing for an AI-first world. Dubai-based additive manufacturing and digital warehousing company Immensa is set to invest more than $6 million in enhancing its recently launched AI-enabled software. The end-to-end solution helps oil and gas producers unlock the transformative potential of digital supply chain by using additive manufacturing and other on-demand production methods. Meanwhile, the Center for the Fourth Industrial Revolution at 𝘕, the King Abdulaziz City for Science and Technology, held its second Saudi Forum for the Fourth Industrial Revolution at the Garage yesterday. The World Economic Forum Center brought together thought leaders and decision-makers from around the world. And in the UAE, more than 1,800 participants, including government leaders, CEOs, AI experts, academia, investors, and tech firms, will convene tomorrow for the Dubai Assembly for Generative AI. The two-day event will focus on 5 main themes about generative AI, including industry disruption, regulatory challenges, and other topics. These were today's top Middle East AI news stories, brought to you by Carrington Malin. See my weekly news digest for more stories and useful links. Thanks for listening.